Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create split screen edit in CapCut. To begin, open the CapCut application on your device, as the process is identical for both iOS and Android. Once inside the CapCut app, import the first video you wish to edit. For example, I have this video here. Add this. After that, move to the last frame, select this CapCut extra part and delete it. Then tap the plus icon and add another video. So as you can see, I have two different videos here. Now, select any of the videos. Suppose this one, then from the bottom option scroll to left and find overlay. Once you find it, click on it, and you will notice the video was shifted below. Just tap and hold on the video and move it under the first frame. Now make sure that the second video is selected. Scroll to the right until you find the mask option and tap on it. A menu will appear with various mask shapes to choose from. But for split screen, the most useful one is the split, which is named as horizontal here. So let's select this. As you can see, we can move it around. Also, if you want to have some feathers, you can add that too. Let's rotate it and bring this to the middle. After that, you can even move the clip around to adjust the frame. For that, just select the clip and then move it around. It's really that simple. So that's how you can split a screen in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.